Hey guys, welcome to the inside of my tiny house. We've got all of our walls on. We've got our skylight in. Right now we're on the race against weather because the temperatures have been dropping. We even got a snowfall this past week. So trying to get windows in, roof on, siding on so it can be all sealed up and ready for the winter. Really exciting news, my wood stove is on its way, so that's going to be heating this little baby up pretty soon. Everything has been going great so far, it's making lots of progress. I'm going to edit that part out. Things have not been going great. We have water in my foundation again, so it's going to be a pain, but I'm going to have to tear up the floor now that the walls and everything are on. I've definitely contemplated stopping building the tiny house many times. Building projects don't always go to plan, so it's been a lot of learning, a lot of adjusting, and just figuring things out as I go. I have learned so much, but really already figuring out things that I would do differently if I were to build it again, or who knows, maybe I'll build another tiny house after this one. But update will be coming soon with the windows in. Right now, we just have Tyvek on the house. But anyways, have a great one!